What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here, back again with C-Dubs. And we got a fight scene straight from Mortal Kombat, the first movie, possibly the best video game movie that I've ever seen. We got Liu Kang versus Reptile. For those of you who don't know, Reptile was a secret character in the original Mortal Kombat game. So he's got some awesome fight moves. Let's check out this scene. So he first comes with a jump front snap kick. All Liu Kang does is he blocks with his hands and then comes around with a spinning wheel kick. So from here, he jumps, blocks, and then Reptile ducks that right away. Once Reptile ducks that spinning wheel kick, he gives a counter roundhouse kick to Liu Kang's right side. Liu Kang just blocks and then strikes on the same side with his roundhouse kick. Bang, bang. Reptile throws a straight cross with his right hand. Liu Kang parries that and gets out of the way. Then he goes with a hook. Again, Liu Kang just ducks under that. And then right here, Liu Kang goes for a rib shot. He connects, boom. But Reptile is coming up to the high line and smashes him right across the neck and jawline to get that grab. After grabbing the back of the head, Reptile gives him a quick knee straight to the midsection, grabs around his head, and then smashes him right there on the back with his elbow. From the headlock, he just throws Liu Kang right into that pillar. Again, he doesn't give him a chance to recover. As he's getting up, he runs around and gives him a roundhouse kick. Liu Kang blocks that kick, and then he just keeps going with two more roundhouse kicks. He just keeps blocking them with his arm. After this, he goes with the midline and then a highline kick. Again, Liu Kang is countering with a good guard. Boom, bang. Now, since the kicks aren't working, Reptile goes to some punches. He goes for a big wide hook. Again, Liu Kang just counters that, again, with a good guard. Same thing to the other side. Bop. Now Liu Kang tries to do a quick knife ridge hand across. Reptile ducks that very quickly and then counters by bringing this hand down and giving him a quick back fist right to the side of the head. Now that he's connected with that one punch, he follows up with a nice combination to the body. He goes with the uppercut to the rib cage, connects there, tries an uppercut on this side. Looks like it might have been blocked. So from here, now he goes into some close quarter striking. He grabs the shoulders and he gets into some knee strikes. Bang, bang. Now from the angle, it's a first person view, so we don't know if he's trying to strike his body or his head. But it looks like he's striking those knees to his body. After those knee strikes, he brings him across, pushes him, and then gives him a nice push kick. Bah! One of the main things we really liked about this fight scene was how Reptile kept giving Liu Kang this constant pressure. He was relentless. He was throwing kicks as he was getting up. And when those kick combinations weren't working, he went straight to his fists and actually started landing some shots. So he kept changing it up. In addition to that, we really liked how this fight scene almost had an MMA feel to it. It was very direct. There wasn't a lot of martial arts-like techniques in there. It was just roundhouse kicks, hook punches, straight punches, and they actually hit each other at the same time there with the shot to the ribs and Reptile grabbing there for the knee strike. So very kind of direct and cool approach to this fight scene. All right, so there you have it for this fight scene breakdown straight from Mortal Kombat. Again, Liu Kang versus Reptile. One of the coolest fight scenes in the movie, in my opinion. And I love how Reptile is so relentless against Liu Kang. He doesn't give him any time to breathe. If you guys like this breakdown, leave us that thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below of any other fight scene you want to see us reenact and explain for you guys step by step here with the fight scene breakdown series. Be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you know when any other videos come out. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Game on, stay fit, and keep on training. We'll see you guys in the next fight scene breakdown.